Haka khandai tarik mentau benai Naiwieng hajar pusau kijat bynriew Achik jong Ri Lum Garo kilayo ban pyndep ya kawei na jingshad lehniam kaba jongki kaba shisien shisnem kaba laju tip kum ka Shad Wangala kaba laju pynlong hakilai smilen terrengkat ke jingpen inam ya ka deiti tenrai jongki lakalong hakariam ka beng karwai bat katem kaput tenrai bat kijingbam tenrai jongki yakani ka Shad lehniam le rukom laju pynlong haswa bakin od lani khet ya unu marep ubalabet khendiat benai menshwa khnang bakin long kiba seiso bat kiba plung bat banmat na ka sniu ka sme da ka batem hadu shispa teli kiksing hakani ka Snem hajar pusaru ka jing lehniam Shad Wangala kala long ka ba Shongkun hakaba layadon rengkat ru u Anil Oraw kumukong san haka jingalang Kiwede kibalayadon lang kikentop ya director ka North East Zone Cultural Center NEZCC Ministry of Culture u Prasanna Gogoi u Deputy Commissioner ka District West Garo Hills u Jagdish Chelani u Assistant Director ka Tanat Tourism jaga Sorkar Pedeng u Anil Kumar Gupta u Deputy Director ka NEZCC u Oliver Temsu Pongen u Inspector General jaga BSF Meghalaya Frontier Shillong u H Singh Dhillon u Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills u Manish Kumar bat kawei kipat ba nalor kiba nakani ka Jylla kilawan bansa ki yakani ka jingetem yaki shispa teli kiksing lawan bansa kiru da kiba na bar Jylla kom na Tamil Nadu Pune West Bengal Assam bat na bari bakan top na France Belgium Germany bat nakari Canada
Fiercely, but I think they are not ones to give up. That is the spirit of warriors. They go ahead to strive, to seek, and not to yield. Maybe to borrow the line from Lord Tennyson. I think lines like this inspire everybody, be it the English, be it the Greeks, be it the Romans, be it the Indians in the mainland, or be it the tribals of Northeast. Specifically the Garo tribe here in Meghalaya. I would also like to inform our esteemed dignitaries on the days that the ritual of incense burning or chatak soa was done or was performed at the bidding of the god portable. It can be carried with anyone, anywhere, wherever they go and practice so that we invite and attract more and more abundance, especially in the field of agriculture, which is the source of sustenance for all of us. I would like to put on record our special admiration and appreciation and acknowledgement. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to draw your special attention to the dancers. They are of various ages. I think from the quite aged to the very young, maybe adolescents. But they are all dancing in unison. They are all dancing in harmony. I think this is what Wangala does to the Achiks, to the Garos of Garo Hills. It brings people from all sections of life and bind them together in a spirit of unity and in a spirit of gratitude every year in order to merit good harvest, in order to merit the beneficence and blessings of the God of agriculture, specifically God Salgra, the sun god, and the god of fertility. Simple though it may seem, this dance performance is no mean feat. I think the choreographers will understand better how much of effort, how much of labor had gone into managing 200 dancers led by the warriors and followed by the music. Thank you.